Hey guys, it's Jimmy with Trailer Valet. I'm going to show you guys how to properly use our spanner wrench. So when installing your spanner wrench, bring your collar all the way up with your hand. Go hand tight first. Once you're hand tight, use your spanner wrench like so. So the key is when tightening it with your spanner wrench to apply a little bit of push while you're turning it at the same time. So the most common thing that we see is if you're just turning it, your hand's gonna slip off the spanner wrench and it can hit the coupler, messing up your hand. So always apply a little bit of push at the same time as you turn the collar. So as you're tightening it with the spanner wrench, if you just turn it from the outside and push like this on the end, your spanner wrench can tend to slide out like this, which will cause your hand to hit the coupler and cause damage. So I always recommend once you have your spanner wrench on the collar, you want to push inward onto the collar as you're cranking it. Well, I hope I saved your guys' hands on this. If you guys liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And again, if you have any questions or concerns, contact us at support@trailervalet.com.